travel, we expect at least the seat allotted to us won't be broken. But that wasn't the case really with Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan. He had an uncomfortable journey on an Air India plane. He was, in fact, he has now put out a long post on social media platform X narrating his ordeal. He has even asked, is this not cheating the passengers? Let's tell you what exactly Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has said. The kind of experience he had to go through in his Air India flight when he was traveling to Delhi. He said that he was allotted seat number 8C in AI 436 and that seat was broken. And he said it is unethical really to give broken seats and take full amount. Now this is very, very important because what he has said after this is quite significant. When he reached out to the crew members in this particular aircraft and told the crew members about the broken seat, in fact, according to Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the staff told him that the management was aware of the broken seats in the plane. Concerns, in fact, were raised by the crew members, by the staff members in the past as well, that broken seats should not be sold. So the question is, why was a broken seat sold to a passenger? Well, this time it was Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan who has raised this concern. But had it been a normal passenger, I mean, how many people will take it really seriously? It has become a big news today because a Union Minister has raised this big concern. Now he has asked, isn't this cheating the passengers? He says no improvement has happened in Air India under Tatas. He hoped that things will improve as far as Air India is concerned, but he said it turned out to be a misconception. He also asked a few questions. Will airline and Air India in this particular case take steps to reduce the inconvenience to the passengers? He even asked, or will the airline continue to take advantage of people's compulsion? Now, this is an important statement too, because viewers, we know how the air ticket prices have gone up in the recent past, and people at times have no option but to pay exorbitant amount, because if they have to travel to some place, then they have no other choice. And if after paying hefty amount also they are getting broken seats, then this is something which is very, very serious and something must be done about it. That's the kind of concern that Union Agriculture Minister has raised. Now, after he raised this issue, Air India has come out with a statement as well. In fact, Air India, the airline, has expressed regret over the inconvenience that was faced by Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan on his Bhopal-Delhi flight. The airline spokesperson stated that the incident does not reflect their service standards and has assured, in fact, a thorough probe to prevent any such thing in the future. So we have a response as well coming in from Air India as well. My colleague Nikhil is now joining us live right now. Nikhil, give us more details. Air India has issued a statement as well, but the concerns that were raised by Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan were quite valid as well. As passengers, I'm sure, we, our viewers, also must have experienced something like this once in a while, isn't it?
And Hina, this is something which has become a norm in the recent past. Many of the people on the social media platform, they are also reacting to the tweet which has been put out by Shivraj Singh Chauhan about the broken seat. People are saying that this is something which they usually go through when they board any of the aircraft. But now the Aviation Ministry, they have also taken the cognizance of the same. The Aviation Ministry have clearly directed the CEO of the Air India, Campbell Wilson, that the matter should be handled on the top priority. So after which we are seeing a statement as well which is followed from the side of the airline, wherein they have regretted the discomfort which has been caused to Shivraj Singh Chauhan. At the same time, they have gone on to say that this is not the kind of service which they strive to give to their guests. And also at the same time, they are going to conduct an investigation as well, and thorough investigation, so to say, so that the incident like this are not repeated. But this is something that, which is happening not for the very first time, Hina. Earlier as well in the past, the DGCA, which is the Civil Aviation Watchdog, they clearly directed all the airlines that no broken seat should be sold to any of the passengers. So despite that, this was the particular seat which was allotted to Shivraj Singh Chauhan.
Right.
Also, he has narrated entire detail and the sequence of event. He was boarding this particular aircraft from Bhopal.
Nikhil, I'm just
to New
interrupting
Delhi.
you there. Request you to stay on with us. While on one hand, we have a reaction coming in from Air India. We have now an update coming in from Ministry of Civil Aviation as well. After, this ordeal that was narrated by Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan about his experience with an Air India plane. Now we are learning that the Ministry of Civil Aviation has taken cognizance as well of the tweet that was put out by Shivraj Singh Chauhan. And Ministry, in fact, has now advised Air India CEO, as Nikhil was also telling us, to address the matter as top priority. Let's go back to Nikhil, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Nikhil, like you were telling us, that the Ministry has advised Air India CEO as well to address the matter on top priority. But if we go into the details that were put out by Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and one of them was very significant, wherein he said, then when he asked the crew members to do something about the broken seat, he was informed that the management is also aware of the broken seats. The management was told not to sell these kind of seats that are broken, that won't make the journey of a passenger comfortable, yet they were being sold. So the ministry has to intervene and do something seriously about it.
Clearly, Hina, and this is something which is the most concerning part about the incident. Even after charging the hefty price for a particular air travel, these kind of services are, this is something which has become a norm. It is not just about the Air India. Different airlines as well, they are subjected to this similar kind of incident, especially the passengers. They do not get the service for the kind of money which are usually charged from the side of the airline. And the relevance part is only because the minister had gone through, he took out to the social media platform. This is the reason as to why the ministry as well, they have taken the cognizance of the same. Remember, on a daily basis, there are hundreds of such incidents which are, reported by the users on the social media platform. But there is hardly any major action which is taken by any of the major airline. But as far as this particular incident is concerned, what we are hearing, that after the tweet which was put out by Shivraj Singh Chauhan in the first place, narrating all the ordeal, the ministry as well, they came into the action. They have taken the cognizance of the same, as we have already reiterated here. They have directed the CEO of the Air India management, Campbell Wilson, to handle the matter on the top priority, and after which there is thorough investigation as well, which is now going to be followed in this entire controversy. Right. But it is the passengers who are usually not getting the kind of service for which they pay the hefty price for. Back to you.
Right. Nikhil, request you to stay on with us. And viewers, it's a platform for you. We have opened our call lines as well. Do call us and share with us if you also experience something like Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the kind of experience that he narrated through social media platform X. You can call us and share with us your thoughts and what happened with you. Meanwhile, it has become a big political issue as well here in the national capital. Listen in to these political reactions that we've got for you.
केंद्रीय मंत्री शिवराज जी, आपको तो कुर्सी भी मिल गई। यहाँ हजारों लाखों लोग हैं जो कुंभ में पहुंचने में उनको जो है घंटों लग रहे हैं। ये तो आपकी सरकार को मालूम होना चाहिए ना, क्योंकि आप कुंभ के नाम पे धंधा कर रहे हैं। हमारे आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी कहते हैं कि हमारी इससे इतने लाख करोड़ का जो है मुनाफा कुंभ से होने वाला है। तो उसी मुनाफे में एक तरफ तो आप एयरलाइंस की लूट की परमिशन भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने दे रखी है, फिर आपको अपनी कुर्सी की चिंता है कि आपको जहाज की कुर्सी की जो मतलब अच्छी नहीं मिली। तो यही तो कह के आपने भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने एयर इंडिया को बेचा था।
तो सही कहा गया कि भाई आज खुद जब उनको इस बात का अनुभव हुआ तब उन फटकार उनकी तरफ से लगाया जा रहा है। लेकिन पिछले कई सालों से, वर्षों से लोग परेशानी झेलते हैं और झेल रहे हैं, तो उनके बारे में कभी नहीं सोचा गया। जो दूसरे आम कस्टमर हैं उनके बारे में कभी नहीं सोचा गया।
I will support Mr. Shivraj Singh. I myself had a bad experience. Just recently travel, I found that the seat cover, the bag was torn. and where, of course, one is supposed to keep mobile or magazine, etc. So maintenance is very bad. So Air India, ever since it was taken over by Tata, it was thought that it will be the best one. Even food is not good.
So those are the political reactions that we got for you, and we have our first viewer as well joining us on the broadcast, Captain Jagdish, who has called us from Bhubaneswar. Good afternoon. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. What is it that you will like to say?
Madam, good afternoon. I'm a regular flyer in most of the airlines. But I find recently, in the recent past, Air India has got a lot of problems. Last month, I booked a ticket from Delhi to Bhubaneswar 1 month before. And 3 days before the flight, I got a message that flight has been cancelled. And there is no further instruction to me. And they asked me also, what is the total amount? Please let us know, and we'll pay you back. Now, 3 days before, if I have to book a ticket, you know how much cost it to be. They don't bother also. If you have cancelled a flight, you must put me in some other flight. So this type of problems I'm facing in Air India. And also, I've checked with my friends. They have also got similar problems.
I think that's an important point you have raised, Captain Jagdish, because this is something that even Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has spoken about and has asked the airline, will they continue to take advantage of people's compulsion? Because at times we need to travel to a certain destination is important, and we pay any amount for which the seat is available, and eventually if it's cancelled or there's some problem with the seat or there is any other issue, then it does lead to a lot of inconvenience. Will it stop is the question that the minister has asked. Let's go back to my colleague Nikhil, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Okay, we'll go across to Nikhil in just a bit, but like I was mentioning earlier, it has become a big political issue as well. We have Rajiv Chandrasekhar of the BJP also reacting to the post by Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who says, and I quote, if it was anyone else other than the polite gentleman Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, a person would have created a justified angry response to this kind of incident. Tata's takeover of Air India has created a situation of reducing competition and consumer choice in full service airlines, which leads to complacency and chalta hai. And he has also said that suggests Tata companies address this warp speed, otherwise regulator or government will need to start looking at consumer interest as a regulatory outcome in addition to safety. So that's an important point that he has raised as well, Rajiv Chandrasekhar of the BJP. Let's go back to Nikhil, who continues to be with us right now. Nikhil, an interesting reaction there coming in from Rajiv Chandrasekhar as well, and clearly, asking Tatas to do something about it, or else some kind of intervention from the government side will become necessary.
Well, Hina, this is which the people as well, the experts, so to say, they are also calling out that this is one of its kind story, a unique story, so to say, which has not improved so far even after getting privatization. So this is the first of its kind experience that even after getting into the private hands, the situation have not improved. We do know as to how exactly the service was provided in the first place when Air India was a national carrier, when it was operated from the side of the government. But now that the Tatas, who were the original owners of the same, and for a couple of years now they are handling all the operations. Still, if this kind of service is being provided, this is something which raises a lot of questions.
Nikhil, I'm just interrupting you again. Stay on with us. We have another viewer joining us on the broadcast right now, Sudarshan, who is joining us live from Pune. Good afternoon. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. What is it that you would like to share with us?
Yeah, hello. Good afternoon.
Yes.
See, I had flown from Pune to Delhi by Air India, and at the Delhi airport I was kept waiting for about 40 minutes on the tarmac. I raised an objection with the staff. They said right to Air India.
Right.
Air India.
I think that's a bad line out there, but thank you, Mr. Sudarshan. Appreciate you calling us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Thank you, Nikhil, for your inputs as well. It's going to be a top focus ahead as well. For now, slipping into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.